guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add glow blur effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. So have your two clips ready right here, and then you'll have to go to the first clip, and then you'll have to go to your color tab. So once you have located your color tab, I want you to make a serial node by right clicking the node right here, and then add node, add serial, and then from there go to blur. So once you have located blur, which is this one right here, you will have to up the radius to the maximum setting, or the lowest setting I mean. So there you go. So once you have done that, just go back to your original one right here. So once you have made a copy of the second clip that you made, just place it on top basically like this, and then all you have to do from video is go down and look for opacity. So right here is your opacity, just place it down, and maybe just depending on your liking. So I like to go with 50. So there you go, it's just that simple. Now just play it right here and you have this blurry glowy effect. So there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.